Serpstat Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to the Serpstat Affiliate Program Review. In today's video, I'm going to give you an overview of Serpstat's affiliate program, its features, and why it could be a great opportunity for you to start earning. Don't forget to check out the links to the product in the description below to get started. Serpstat is a powerful, all-in-one SEO platform designed to help users boost their search engine rankings, conduct keyword research, perform site audits, track backlinks, and so much more. Whether you're a digital marketer, SEO professional, or business owner, Serpstat offers tools that cater to all aspects of SEO. The platform is well known for its user-friendly interface and detailed reports that allow you to make data-driven decisions for your website or clients. Some of its standout features include keyword analysis, competitor research, and site performance tracking. It also has a feature for rank tracking and a backlink analysis tool, which are essential for any comprehensive SEO strategy. Now let's talk about the Serpstat Affiliate Program. If you're familiar with SEO tools, you know that Serpstat is a well-respected name in the industry. The affiliate program is a great way to monetize your audience by promoting a tool that helps businesses optimize their websites and improve online visibility. As a Serpstat affiliate, you can earn a recurring commission for every successful subscription made through your referral link. The recurring commissions are a big advantage, as it means you can continue to earn from customers who stick with Serpstat long-term. The program is managed through Affiliate WP, making it easy for affiliates to track their sales, commissions, and payouts. The cookie duration is start 30 days, which means if someone clicks your affiliate link and subscribes within that period, you'll earn the commission. Serpstat offers a wide range of marketing materials, including banners, links, and promotional content to help you boost conversions. They also provide detailed reports to help you analyze your affiliate traffic and optimize your strategies. Serpstat's competitive pricing and extensive features make it a great product to promote, especially for those in the SEO industry. Its global appeal, combined with its high-quality features and affordable pricing, makes it an excellent choice for any affiliate marketer focused on SEO tools. To sum it up, the Serpstat Affiliate Program provides a lucrative opportunity with recurring commissions, top-tier SEO tools, and solid affiliate support. It's a great program for anyone who wants to earn money by promoting an established SEO platform. If you're interested, check out the links in the description to learn more and get started today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next